Some of y'all may be wondering why I took the camper off so soon when I just put this on 2 months ago. But as I started to see it every day, I mean, it didn't look so sporty to me anymore. So I figured I'd take it off and get that sporty truck look again. Here it is. I'm going to go ahead and clean all this dirt and water spots on here so that I can take some good pictures of it, post it for sale.
A few moments later.
Silverado without the camper. Wash it once again since it got some dust on there. Finish up with the waterless wash. I'm gonna let that sit so it could dry up, and I'm gonna attack these rims. Once the paint dries up, I can go ahead and use this, which is some Car Guys hybrid wax on the paint surface. Now that I'm finished with that, I'm gonna go ahead and tackle these stickers that I have on here. I'm gonna be removing those with the plastic blade and some glass cleaner. So let's show you how I do that. These stickers are pretty much crusty already. Look at that, brittle. Come off super easy with this plastic blade and some window cleaner. And for this purple cross that's up here, it's actually wrapped, vinyl wrap. Clean and subtle. Now that we got those old purple stickers removed, now I'm gonna go ahead and use that Car Guys wax so we can get it a deeper shine and protection on there.
24 hours later.
What's going on, everyone? Salinacion Chem Mods here, and for this video I'm finally gonna attack the roof on the Silverado. So now that that's done, we're gonna get the truck in the garage so that I can go ahead and prep this surface right here and get it ready for wrap. I gotta remove that third brake leg too. To remove the third brake leg, it's a T20. It's all faded. I painted it with clear from a rattle can. Push on this tab right here and it should come off. Just one. That's all.
And I know I was drunk enough. Didn't know we were meant messed me up, yeah. Now I'm truly awakened up. Say you wanna talk again, but it's time I do this my way. I don't wanna be your friend.
So usually as I'm cleaning it, the surface, I start to get ideas or start to visualize how I'm gonna cut the edges and tuck. So what I'm gonna do, once I'm gonna tuck in there, I'm gonna put this back there and pull this lip this way. I'm gonna tuck with the other one and go all along like that. Alcohol on this rag, just run it. And to tuck back here, I'm gonna go ahead and tuck it with the blue squeegee as much as I can. And from there, I'm gonna cut against this window right here. Put the blade on this edge.
When I met you that night, should've known you were something that would mess with my mind. Oh, but I won't put the blame
So right here
on me.
behind this dirty brake light, I'm gonna make sure I blow it out real good. No dust or dirt or debris is back there that could cause any defect on the material. All right, this is gonna be the final wipe before we're gonna take the material out and lay it down on the canvas. Got the material right here. Now we got all our wrapping tools here in the bed. Unroll that. And we have extra, so. Now that I got a cut on it, I'm gonna go ahead and roll this up. Flip the other way. To remove the backing paper, I started off down here because it rolls out that way. So I start pulling from the side. I get one side. It doesn't matter if it wrinkles up, you could blast that out. You pull this side. And right now the material is not tacked down. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to get these wrinkles out from the middle. Pull this way. Blast down the middle. No. See that air gap in there? So you're gonna want to pull this back and get this blue squeegee. There you guys have the roof wrap. That's how I do it. Now we just gotta put the antenna, the fin back on, and the third brake light. I'm probably planning to wrap the top portion of it with this silver. We'll see.
24 hours later.
All right, guys, so at the end of the day, I ended up wrapping the third brake light. As you can see here, came out real nice. And it's pretty simple to do. All you gotta do is prep the surface and then put the knife tape along here. And then from there, just pull the knife tape. This is actually the factory third brake light. About 2 years ago, I paint sprayed this with the aerosol cans with the VHT and a gloss clear coat. And today I actually did a 2-step on it to give it some reflection, some gloss, because it was super faded and dull. But other than that, there you guys have it.